Criticism of Airbnb is nothing new. Whether it's the hidden booking fees, unreasonable rules, or over-the-top cleaning requirements, you may want to try something new for your next trip. If you're looking to save money and take in the local culture, look no further than Homestay. This platform connects you with families abroad that are interested in hosting travelers. By staying with a local, you'll have access to someone who knows the ins and outs of the community you're visiting and will be able to recommend the best restaurants, along with which tourist traps to avoid. Next up is a third-party vendor that connects travelers with the owners of vacation rental properties. By booking with property owners directly, you can also negotiate rates and organize logistics in a way that Airbnb does not allow. However, it's important to carefully read the rental agreement with your property's owner before signing, as each home will still have its own cancellation policies and house rules. If you've become frustrated with Airbnb's tacked-on fees and cleaning policies, it might be time to consider going retro. Hopper is an app that connects travelers to discounted hotel rooms. However, the best usage of Hopper isn't to book through the app itself. We suggest using it to see which hotels are offering the best deals and then booking with those hotels directly. Be sure to drop a comment below with your advice for saving money on vacation. And stay tuned to Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.